Good afternoon, everybody. So at current I've been working on a oil heater. It's taken me a bit of time to get everything done and everything sorted out, but so far this is what I've got. A couple of LPG gas cylinders which I've done on my measurements, and thank you to Gerry DIY. He's been a great help and a wealth of information and knowledge. He can answer pretty much most of your questions that you have for him if you get stuck. Honestly, look him up. He's a fantastic bloke. I've been sending him inboxes on Facebook, asking a lot of questions on his YouTube channel, and he's answered just about every single question. You're an awesome bloke, Gerry. Thank you very much. So this is my design, and this is what I've come up with so far. So this one here will be my combustion area. I currently haven't got any exhaust ports on it as yet, but I will get around to that once I find a decent size exhaust. So bear with me one moment, guys. This is all one-handed. So I've basically used all the tops on this one here to get all my holes out. So in here I'm going to stick a couple of pieces of angle iron in the inside here, just as a bit of a combustion area to hold heat, to gain heat as well. This one here will basically just be where all the working happening. It's all ready to go to be welded up. Once I've got my door all cut out, I will insert the separator plate. Now everything I've done here, it's been with a grinder or a jigsaw and a bench grinder. It's basically everything you can do it in your back shed. You don't need the fancy equipment to do all the stuff here. So this separator plate here will go just along the middle of this line here. So I've got my air breather door, and I've got my door to get my my little burner plate in. Again, this is one of Gerry's designs. Lucky enough for me, I've had some of these old MAP gas bottle cylinders sitting around in the backyard, which I picked up from my local gas guy down the road. He just had them sitting in his yard, like if I could have them. And he said take them. I'm happy to get rid of them. So that'll be all welded up eventually. So I've got to weld it all in there. Again, this is all done with grinders and nothing else. Hinges for this thing, I've custom made hinges. These were just all out of second-hand material I've had laying around the shed. I've got a double one set up for the bottom, so basically that'll just go straight on like so, and I'll just weld them in. A note to make if you're doing this, guys: if you're going to put hinges on here, always remember to cut out your corners first, then weld it on, and then finish cutting the rest of it, because then your doors will be straight and everything else will be straight, so you won't have to worry about trying to make eye line level to get it all done. Once this door has been cut out, I will put in brackets in the back, just so the door doesn't go all the way in. It will lock up and give me a nice seal through here. This bottom door, I'm not too worried. Again, it's just going to be an air vent door, so like with Gerry's system, he'll leave this bottom door open a little bit, where he'll get maximum air inflow, and it'll be fantastic. It'll work great. So until I get my welder back, I'm basically stuck doing nothing now. Hopefully I should have it back over the weekend, and hopefully I can start welding this up by the weekend and have something completely different to show you guys. Anyway, once again, thank you, Gerry. You're an inspiration and you've been a fantastic help. Take care, guys. Bye.